Welcome, grade 7 students. Are you fine? Today we are going to practice about um, plants and nutritive needs of plants. First, let's take this question. Nutritive needs of chlorophyll plants. A plant A was put in a complete medium by adding water dissolved with the powder taken from the sac labeled with NPK. After normal growth, one plant A was cut and at its base and connected to an empty glass tube to obtain plant B. Then we add water with powder. Okay, so we take this plant A after normal growing, we cut it at its base, and we put a glass tube. Then we add water rich with this nutritive media. What is the powder mixture called? What does the labeling of the sac NPK means? This powder is a fertilizer. Each letter of them means one element needed for plant development, N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and K for potassium. What is the test hypothesis in the experiment? Hypothesis: root sap moves from soil to leaves and not inversely. It means that root sap, which is made of water and mineral salts, can be transported in this way upward and not in the inverse direction. Explain what will happen in B. What will happen? In B, there is no leaves and the water rich with the mineral salts, which is the crude sap, cannot move in the opposite direction. So, knowing that the crude sap is absorbed from soil by root hairs and taken up by conducting vessels in an ascending way and not inversely. So nothing will happen. The amount of water still the same. Plants needs a number of minerals for healthy growth. Two important mineral ions needed by plant are nitrate for making amino acids, which are needed to make organic matter, magnesium for making chlorophyll. Plant A was deprived from nitrate, and plant B was deprived from magnesium. Which plant will not be able to produce fruits, A or B, or both? Justify. In fact, nitrate is needed for making amino acids. So it is needed to make organic matter. So without nitrate, we have no fruits. Magnesium for making chlorophyll, which is the substance that produces the organic matter. So both plants, since without chlorophyll, the leaves where organic matter material is manufactured cannot accomplish photosynthesis process. Thus, no fruits are produced. Case of plant B, lack of magnesium. Without nitrate, no organic material is formed due to the lack of amino acids. Thus, no fruits. This is the case of plant A. Let's take another question. Respiration in beans. Given the following experimental setup, we use black mask to cover all the setup 1 and 2. This is the setup number 1, and that is the 2. Look at the seeds, dry seeds here, and seeds dipped in solution. A small tube containing clear lime water, and here turbid lime water. This is a cup of water connected with vented glass tube. And each flask is stuffed with cork. In one, the seeds are dry, water level is unchanged. Look at the water level, it's unchanged, and the lime water still clear. In 2, the seeds are wet, water level raises, and the lime water becomes turbid. Explain what indicates the absorption of O2. In experiment 2, water level raises, indicating that the volume of air in the flask decreases, so oxygen is taken from this air by respiration because no photosynthesis due to the black mask. The black mask prevents plant or seeds to make photosynthesis. Explain what indicates the release of CO2 in above experiment. In fact, carbon dioxide is released only in flask 2 since clear lime water becomes turbid due to its combination with carbon dioxide. Conclude, wet seeds respire. It means that seeds of bean, for example, take oxygen and give carbon dioxide. So this is the end of our exercise. Thank you for watching and goodbye.